Hey everybody, Chris with Up North Air Gunner. Hey, if you've been watching Rick over at Shooter 1721, you know that dude can shoot some offhanded shots. So, you know what, Rick, you've inspired me. Since today's video is going to be about pistols, we're going to take out the TalonP pistol here, 25 cal. Notice no scope. We're going with the Reflex micro red dot from Hawke optics. This thing is sweet. This is only 3 MOA, super small dot. You can crank the brightness down just enough where you can see it, put it right on the ball. All right, let's see what we can do. 50 yards. There really is no standard right now for the Airgun Depot Long Ranger Challenge for an offhand, open sights pistol shot. So, hey, I'm gonna set the bar. We're gonna set it at 50 yards. I guarantee you, guys like Rick, they're gonna be able to beat this. But anyway, let's see what we can do. 50 yards, here we go. All right, so I walked up there. I see where I'm hitting. Let's see what we can do. 50 yards, offhand, open sights with a red dot. Here we go. Yeah! Woo! 50 yards, baby! Airforce Airguns TalonP with the Hawke optics micro dot reflex sight. Yeah! Rick, baby, that one was for you. Woo-hoo!